Nothing in here, except this.
And squeeze. That's una linterna, a flashlight. Cuidado, careful.
Do you think it works?
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Hola!
Hey, would you look at that? Hi there.
Hola!
It's a talking flashlight. Manny, flashlights don't talk.
We talk.
Oh yeah.
Who are you?
¿Cómo?
He said, "Who are you?"
¿Qué?
He can hear you, Pat. I think maybe he doesn't understand you.
Maybe he doesn't speak English.
Stretch is probably right, although it sounds like he might speak Spanish.
Don't worry. I will find out everything. I will ask him who he is in Spanish. Hola, amigo. ¿Quién eres?
Una linterna.
He says he's a flashlight.
Wow, he does speak Spanish.
And he definitely belonged to Uncle Hugo. Uncle Hugo doesn't speak English either. He wanted me to have this. Something only I could take care of.
This must be the best thing you ever got from Uncle Hugo. Do you think he still lights up?
His bulb looks fine. Can you turn your light on? ¿Puedes encender tu luz?
Sí. Oh. It went on for a second, Manny.
Yeah, I saw that, Dusty. His batteries must be very weak. But maybe there's just enough power in them for a little more light. Can you do it just a little more? ¿Puede usted hacer eso otra vez?
Trataré.
He said he'll try.
Come on, you can do it.
Ahora, now. Come on, tools. Let's get this fixed while we can.
Let's get going and fix it right.
Twist and turn.
Make it tight.
Trabajamos juntos.
We work together now.
Cut it, measure, run.
Tap it flat. Bend and twist.
Just like that.
Each of us has a special job. We work together.
Todos juntos.
We can fix it right.
See if it starts, Manny.
Good job, tools. Especially you, mi pequeña linterna. My little flashlight. Buen trabajo. Good job.
Way to go!
Good job.
Buen trabajo!
Buen trabajo. Buen trabajo.
Now we better get back to town and get you some fresh batteries.
You can ride with us. It's a lot more fun in our toolbox. Right, Manny?
Of course, Squeeze. Síguela a ella. Follow her.